guys, I have some exciting news for you. I've got a new packet that just arrived from Amazon, and I'm so excited. There was a deal going on and I grabbed it. So what have I got in the deal, you might wonder. But just without further ado, let's just go ahead and open it up. But before that, just wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. The F-91W, the classic old style Casio. All right, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So I've been looking for I'm building my watch collection, if you are not aware of it when you are here for the first time. Stop. It's like one of those waterproof plug containers. It has got like 4 locks. Wow. They want to protect an already waterproof watch? No. They allow the packaging though. It's unique. It gives it a personality. It's apart from the standard manual and the belt adjustment screwdriver. This is the hero of our story. Well, I haven't had a diverse watch before, so I thought why not order one. And this is gorgeous. My goodness, look at that. Can you see it? Wow. It's heavy. It's not lightweight. Definitely heavy. And it's good. I'm gonna give this a shot. Oh, wow, it's plastic wrapped all over. Like it's very well packaged is what I would say. So let's just see what happened. It's like so much scratch proof. I made it. Oh my god, the watch is so gorgeous, guys. I just love it. I did not expect it to be this gorgeous. I can tell you that for sure. But this is like next level. Oh my god. It's like packaging experience is also next level, of course. You have to go through a lot. But look at that shine. Like, I don't know. This is not daylight, so you can't tell. But yeah, like lugs are good. Let me just take some time to figure out how to get rid of this plastic once and for all. Right? Alright, so that's done. I can't tell if there's a plastic on this belt as well. Oh yeah, there is one. As you can see here, there is one. So. Oh wow, I wonder why there is so much plastic. Okay. It's like they don't want this watch to be appear like it's used or something. I'm sorry guys, but I'm just really being very cruel to the packaging right now. Look at the amount of plastic. Oh, maybe one day. There was a tag that I've just taken off. A lot of mess. But hey, let's just go ahead and wear it. Ooh. Look. My wrist is probably the smaller on the side. So when I read it's a 41mm dial, I just got it. But then it also means that I could really, use this as a, it's 44 mm I think, lug to lug, but the overall dial is 41 mm. I'll have to shorten this thing up, but hey, not that bad. This is how the watch looks like from the front, and yes, it's screw in and screw out to adjust the time. You have to have a little bit of patience and go up until a little bit. And I really like this magnified window to read the date, and it's the back. I didn't show you, and it does feel very heavy. And also I was struggling to open the watch pen, but then I realized there's a little open button on the watch thing here. So if you really pay attention and really open it, it's gonna remove that plastic thing that came across all over the place very easily. So just pay attention. Yeah, sorry, my son, my son was saying, oh, just show the lume. So if you can turn off the light, I don't know if you'll be able to see the lume. See the lume. The best thing about this watch that I loved was that the lume was not only on the little the time markers, but also on the outside bezel, so you can actually read. I don't know, let me see if I can autofocus this thing. It's getting confused because there is no light. But I can read the numbers very clearly, on the lume. So that's great. Thank you. So that's the watch, and I think I really love it. It's very heavy. I'll have to adjust the links, but they have given a tool, so I'm gonna find out how easy or hard it is to adjust the links. Thank you so much for watching.